Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're going to complete with Unit 6, United Nations. We're going to focus on grammar. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Grammar. Future forms. رقم الصفحة بيختلف بين الأدبي والعلمي. Question A. Look at the statements and answer the questions. Which statement is for prediction? I think the weather will be too hot tomorrow. لما بنستخدم التنبؤ I think بستخدم معه will. Which statements talk about a fixed arrangement? لما بحكي عن ترتيب أو تخطيط مسبق لشيء بستخدم إما be going to أو الحاضر المستمر. The two companies are going to provide very different experiences. The team manager is holding a party on our return. إذن هون عنا ترتيب ثابت. Which statement talks about something likely to happen in the immediate future? لما بنحكي عن شيء عم بيصير in the immediate future نستخدم is about to. The plane is about to take off in a few minutes. Which statement talks about a future event that will finish before a specific time in the future? لما نستخدم كلمات الربط لنحكي عن حدث رح يصير قبل حدث بالمستقبل فبنستخدم المستقبل التام. By the time you get home, I will have cleaned the house from top to bottom. Which statement talks about events continuing over a period of time in the future? لما بنحكي عن أحداث رح تستمر على فترة معينة بالمستقبل بنستخدم صيغة will be زائد الفعل مع ing. When it goes into orbit, the spacecraft will be carrying 25 kilos of plutonium. Question B. What do these people say? Pay special attention to the underlined words. Tom is predicting a win for Manchester United in their next game. ننتبه للكلمة اللي تحتها خط predicting يتنبأ. لما بنحكي عن تنبؤ بنستخدم will. Manchester United will win their next game. David intends to get up early tomorrow. في عنا كلمة intends بتدل على أنه سبق التخطيط لهذا الموضوع فبنستخدم going to. I am going to get up early tomorrow. Emily's plane timetable says arrival 9:30. لما بنحكي عن التايم تيبل عن الجداول الزمنية والمواعيد نستخدم الحاضر البسيط. The plane arrives at 9:30. John has arranged to hold a meeting tomorrow. لما بنحكي عن arrangement عن ترتيب مسبق نقدر إما نستخدم الحاضر المستمر أو be going to. نقدر نقول I am holding a meeting tomorrow أو I am going to hold a meeting tomorrow. Susan will have a big party in the very near future. لما بنحكي عن المستقبل القريب very near future نستخدم is about to. I'm about to have a big party. Sammy decides to use the new laptop for the next 2 years. طالما عنا decide قرار مسبق فبنستخدم going to. I am going to use the new laptop for the next 2 years. Now let's move on to the activity book. رقم الصفحة بيختلف بين الأدبي والعلمي. Question A. In 6 of these sentences, there is a verb in the wrong tense. Underline each mistake and write the correction. إذا في عنا هلأ جمل فيهم أخطاء رح ندور على الخطأ بالفعل. When I'll find the answer, I'll let you know. ما بنستخدم هون بعد كلمة الربط will وإنما بنستخدم الحاضر البسيط. When I find the answer, I'll let you know. عندما أجد الإجابة سأخبرك بذلك. My exams finish on 27th June. في عنا جدول مواعيد مسبق نستخدم معه الحاضر البسيط. الجملة صحيحة. I'll be fine in the interview as long as they won't ask me technical questions. منغير won't ask ل don't ask. What time is your meeting about to start tomorrow? لما بنحكي عن مواعيد نستخدم الحاضر البسيط. What time does the meeting start tomorrow? I'll hand in my notice for this job after I'll get the contract for my new one. After I get the contract for my new one. I'll text you before we set off. الجملة صحيحة ما فيها أي أخطاء. The bus doesn't arrive until 7:30 in the evening. The bus won't arrive until 7:30 in the evening. I've got my schedule for the Japan trip. We're about to fly to Tokyo at 10 a.m. on Monday and then travel by train to Kyoto for one night. We're flying to Tokyo at 10 a.m. on Monday. The moment I'll receive my results, I'll phone you. The moment I receive my results, I'll phone you. Question B. Complete the text with will be, will have, or will have been, plus the correct form of the verb in brackets. What are your hopes for the future? It's hard to make predictions too far into the future, but I think I can say quite a lot about my life in about 10 years. I think I will still be living in the same city. By that time, I will have finished my studies, and who knows, perhaps I will have found a good job. And I will probably be going out with the same friends too. By the time I'm 60, I expect that nearly everything will have changed, and everyone will have been trying their best to adapt to new circumstances. For example, I can't imagine that we will be using cars because by then most of the oil in the world will have run out. People will be traveling in electric cars, or perhaps we will be walking everywhere. I hope that scientists will have solved pollution problem, but who knows, perhaps some other worse problems will have come along by then. That's everything for today. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.